The Silverado comes in multiple trim levels. The Custom, the Work Truck, the RST, the LT.
Okay, stop! Every dealership has girls standing in front of trucks, talking about trims and features, but they follow us because they want to be entertained.
What do you suggest we do?
The multi-flex tailgate.
Tons of cargo space,
Comfy seats,
big ass screen, plenty of room back here,
4-wheel drive.
mini fridge.
Wait, I think that's aftermarket.
Should be standard.
So come check out our Silverado selection here at Camino Real Chevy.